Hi learners, welcome to our channel Python Programming. In this session, let's learn some methods associated with the tuples. For example, if T is a tuple with the elements 3, 0, -2, 5, 1, -9 and 8. If we try to display the length of T, we are getting the value as 7. Hence, the length of this tuple T is 7. The next method is max. This method returns the maximum value in the given tuple if it contains numerals. For example, if t is equal to 3, 0, -2, 5, 1, -9, 8, and if we try to print max of t, it will display the value of 8. Similarly, min. Min is the method which returns the minimum value in the given tuple. Let us consider the same tuple T where the minimum value among all these elements is -9. The result of print of min of T is giving a value of -9 on the screen. Count. Count is the method which returns the number of times the given element or item occurs in the given tuple. T is 3, 0, -2, 5, 1, -9, 8. And if we count how many number of times 0 present in this tuple, then the result is 1. Sum. Sum returns the sum of all items in the given tuple if all the elements are numerals. T is 3, 0, -2, 5, 1, -9, 8. Sum of T is producing the summation of all the values which is equal to 6. Next method is index. Index method returns the index of the given item in the given tuple. Let T is the same tuple, and if we try to display T dot index of -2, this will display the value of 2. 2 is the index of -2 in the given tuple. The next method is sort. A tuple does not contain sort method associated with it. But if we need to sort the elements in the tuple, then it needs to be converted into a list. For example, let us consider the same tuple T with the values 3, 0, -2, 5, 1, -9, 8. And if we try to sort it with the help of the sort method, then we will be having an error called as attribute error. It mentions tuple object has no attribute sort. Zip. Zip is an inbuilt function in Python. It takes two or more sequences as input and zips them into a list of tuples. Hence, the resultant tuple contains one element from each sequence. Let's see an example for this. Let us consider L is a list with 5 elements in it: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. T is a tuple with 5 elements in it: A, B, C, D and E. If we zip these two sequences, list and tuple, with the help of zip function, zip of L comma T, and it should be converted into a list, and so we are giving list of zip of L comma T. The output is a collection of tuples inside a list. The tuple is going to have a pair of elements where the first element is obtained from the first sequence, that is list, and the second element is obtained from the second sequence, that is T. And each pair are enclosed in tuple and all the tuples are enclosed in a list. Stay tuned. Happy learning.